Hello and welcome to another update video about Rune. Rune, we haven't covered Rune for a while now, but Rune, yeah, it didn't do much. It just came down into this corrective pattern. I think last time we covered it, we were still here on the way down, on the way down, on the way down. I am obviously updating it for gold members regularly, nearly on a daily basis at the moment, because the waves can be recognized quite clearly. Highlighted down here that we should be very close to a low, and ideally it's turning around there, which it so far is trying to. It's trying to turn around. It reached the 38.2 retracement level at $3.75 exactly. Okay, so really exactly touched it and turned around. What we now need to see to determine that a low is indeed in this wave 4 support area, in this support zone between $3.75 and $3.13, because these are the next support levels. And normally, as you might know, if you follow my videos regularly or if you're familiar with Elliott Wave, then you know that the 38.2 retracement level is typically the ideal target for such a fourth wave. It's not the only target, it's the ideal one. It's the entire zone that's relevant, but whatever happens, Rune should avoid a break below $3.13, because a break below the 3.13 level, well, see, that would challenge the overall bullish scenario. The idea is that a third wave, I mean, there are two wave counts, doesn't really matter, is the yellow wave 3 finished here or did the wave 3 finish here? It's not so important. Bottom line is that a wave 4 pullback is unfolding. The move down was corrective, looked corrective. And what we're doing now actually is to watch for a corrective. So if it's a corrective rally or if it's an impulsive rally, remember that Rune did really perform very well throughout 2023, or let's say in October 2023 into the November highs. The idea was that a third wave, should finish somewhere in that region. Fourth wave started, and that wave 5 could take us to $8.90 plus. Possibly even the $10 to $12 range, which is what makes this so interesting from a reward to risk point of view. So let's zoom in and take a look at, okay, could the low already be in? Could the wave 4 be finished? Of course, anything could happen, right? That's a silly question. So of course it could be, the low could be in. I can really only confirm it once the market shows me a 5-wave move to the upside. So at the moment, all I see right now is 3 waves up. No, this is not 3, 4, 5. It doesn't have the right look. And also the wave 5 is too short. The wave 4 is too shallow. No way. So, but it is possible. I could justify that this is a 4th and it tries a 5th wave now. Honestly, I'd like to see it get to $4.60. The problem I have is, sorry, the third needs to sit here. The problem I have is that the third wave just ended slightly, even if it's just 2 cents below the minimum target. That's not great. Okay, yes, it's only 2 cents, and you might say, oh my goodness, but what is he talking about? But that's, we want to be accurate. We want to watch for these nuances, and it just costs it a little bit of reliability. Now I'm willing to call it a third wave. The move down, yep, could have been the 4th wave, but really then I would like to avoid another dip below the last low. And it really should form another high now. Now, I'm not telling you it will form another high. I'm saying to really prove to us that a low is in, I need to see just one more high. I would say minimally to 450, but better would be to 460. As soon as we have these 5 waves in, I want to see an ABC pullback, 3 waves down. And from there, we could then add another support area. And then the next wave to the upside can start. But if it stays a 3-wave rally, things remain very, very uncertain. So that's what I'm watching for. These are sort of the parameters to watch for the next sessions. And at the moment, honestly, to keep the idea alive that the price could have formed a low, I really need to see one more high to round about $4. And 60 would be ideal. If I see that, I will add a support area to the chart for the next pullback. But that would just be the next setup for anybody who might have missed an entry or whatever. But we're still in the larger support area anyway for anybody who's interested to trade that 5th wave to the upside. So in the primary scenario, I want to see a reversal in this orange support zone and for the price to start that 5th wave rally to basically $8.90 plus. But more work is needed on the smaller time frame to confirm that a low is in. But it literally just takes one more high. Okay, that's my update about Rune. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.